Hi, I'm Tina and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're stopping in, thank you so much for spending a little time here with me today. I hope you enjoy your time here. Please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell when you do. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Jane's Agenda subscription box. Ooh, this is pretty. I like the tissue in this one. And there is this hello on the inside cover, which is really cute. Love that. We've got her sticker here. I really do like this tissue. Let's see. Oops, no, I already tore it. Oh well. Let's open it up. I like to share with you exactly how it looks. Ooh, very pretty. Okay, this is probably, ooh, there's all kinds of goodies. So this is the June subscription box, and this is the tour card that comes with the subscription boxes. This one looks a little bit different than what she's done before. She does have a little bit of a note here on the side, and her subscription boxes tend to be very seasonal, so this is going into summertime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop everything out of here. I'll unwrap it, and then that way I can go through it in order on here and in some detail. All right, I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, I have everything unpackaged, and the first thing we're going to start with is the small quote card, and that is this one right here, Summer Afternoon. I'll bring this up a little closer for you, and it's kind of like a peachy corally color. Summer Afternoon, to me, those have always been the two most beautiful words in the English language, and by Henry James. Oh, and on the back, look, we've got a little month at a glance calendar for June, so that's really nice. These cards are nice to just clip in your planner if you want to like spruce your planner up a little bit. The next thing we have is a Mildliner highlighter in the blue smoke color. So that is this one right here. And the Mildliner, I like that color. And then it does have another tip on this side, which is the fine tip if you are not familiar with Mildliners. All right, now there is the Jane's Agenda Sticky Notes Sunburst, and that's that same color scheme, and you see the sunburst in here. So those are sticky notes in that same color scheme. And then we've got some sticker dots. Now these I didn't take out of the package yet. Do that now. And let's see. Okay, so it's just one little sheet here, but the colors are really pretty. So in every subscription box, she does include some fun paper clips. So we've got 2 of them here. And these are really cute. We've got some palm trees. Oh, I like these. These are adorable. So this one is the yellow gold, and then this one is the rose gold. All right, now we're moving on to some inserts. So we've got some travel inserts here, and this is a travel pack. And I get the size 7, which fits my classic size Happy Planner. All right, let's take a detailed look and see what this travel pack is all about. We've got some hotel reviews. So we've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, there's 4 different reviews that you could put on here. It's got the name of the hotel, the address, the phone number, the website, all of like the different amenities that the hotel might have. So they're all written out. All you need to do is check it. I guess you can fill out your review of it and then write notes. So this can be used various ways. I feel like if you have already stayed at a hotel, this can be like your own review, so you can write it in that way. Or if maybe you are shopping for a hotel and you just want to kind of list them out and you know, figure out which one you want to book at. So that is pretty cool. There's one, looks like 1 page of that, the same thing on each side. Then the next thing we have here is a packing list, and we've got where you're going, the dates, the days, the nights, travel time, the weather that's expected, highs and lows, a number of people, adults, children, and pets. So we've got personal care, clothing for during travel, food, kitchen, paperwork, and financial. And then there's a miscellaneous. It's not labeled miscellaneous, but it's an extra section here. You can label whatever you want. So this is really nice because then you just list everything out that you need. And I like the categories. It really covers everything. And then on the back here, we've got a trip itinerary. So we've got the name of location, where your trip is, the address, the phone number, the reservation number, a Wi-Fi password, check-in time and check-out. I'm always asking, oh my gosh, what's the check-in and check-out time? I need to write it down. The dates of the stay, the number of rooms, number of guests, credit card that you used for it, the room number you're staying in, potential activities, food to try. Oh wow, look at this. And then it's got each day, morning, afternoon, and evening. So it's got the date and then the day of the week. So you can really just create a whole nice itinerary, keep things pretty organized. And yeah, I like this. This is pretty cool. All right, so that is how that's laid out. So you've got the packing list on this side, and then you've got the itinerary on this side. And seems like that, yeah, that is everything. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 of those. So that's pretty cool. So you've got 6 packing lists with the trip itinerary on the other side, and then you've got the one sheet here of the hotel reviews, which I think I would probably just kind of create my own with this. You know, the hotels that I've been to, what I liked about them, what I didn't like, and then that way you can remember, you know, whether you want to go back there or not. This is awesome and such a perfect time because I feel like things are definitely now opening up. People are starting to plan trips and go places once again, which is awesome. All right, so the next thing that we have in our box are our planner inserts. Ooh, this looks interesting. 2 days per page. Wow. Okay, so that's a pretty good stack here. All right, so let's take a look at this in detail. And again, same size. You get whatever subscription box you pick, that's the size that you get for everything that you have going into your planner. And you can go in and change the size if you choose to. All right, so to start off with, we've got some dot grid here with June month at a glance in the corner. Ooh, okay. This looks nice. All right, so now we've got a new layout to try out. So let's take a good look at all of this. I love trying out new layouts. Okay, I'm excited. All right, so in the corner, we've got a month at a glance. There's a little focus section, which is blank, so you can write in whatever you want there. There's some habit trackers. Looks like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is definitely doable. We've got a checklist that you can label whatever you want. There's a little box here that says gratitude, and that's blank. And then there's a Monday through Sunday line for each day. So maybe if you wanted to put in like your dinner information on there, very nice. So we are starting this on Monday, May 31st, which is Memorial Day. So you've got the holiday dated in here. And then this section, so this is all Monday. And then this top section is all lined, and it does have morning, afternoon, and evening. And then there's a blank section here, so you could either decorate or put whatever you want in there. And then over here, we've got some bullet points here lined for checklist. And then at the bottom, it is labeled meals, and that's blank. So that is pretty cool. All right, so we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then here are the moon phases in the corner. And let's open this up so we can look at a full week's worth. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. And then that is everything for June. Wow. Okay, so now here June ends. And now we go right into July. Okay, so then there's a July calendar here. Let's see, so all of those had the June. This says July, but this is still June that we're in here. And then this actually starts July, but I guess because July starts on a Thursday and the month at a glance calendars are only at the very beginning of each week. Okay, I get that. And then let's see. Oh, okay. So we've got all of July. Oh wait, I'm so confused because there's a blank in here. I wonder if something printed strange, because it just seems really strange that there would be a break right here after like the first week of July. And then you've got your dot grid on the back and then on the front. And then, yeah, it seems like this should all be July. It looks like something got printed weird here. Okay, and then here we're going into August. So yeah, this all looks good here. Wow. So we've got June, July, August. Yeah, there we go. So that's correct. September. Wow, okay. So yeah, the whole summer is in here. Wow, that's awesome. I love, she's always so generous when she comes out with a new design. I think that this one might be a new one. And it does say here sample sets. So, cool. Very, very cool. So I don't know if this is quite available in the shop just yet, but usually we get them in the subscription box and then she'll introduce it into the shop. So I like that layout. It's something new. It's something different. I'm excited to try it out. All right, the next thing, oh my God. This is what I saw a sneak peek of before I opened this box, but look at the cover. Oh my gosh, it's so, so pretty. Let me put it, let me put some white paper behind here, but look at that beautiful rose gold sunburst. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. That is stunning. I love it. It's like, it's so pretty. I just love her covers. Her covers are super amazing quality. The punches are awesome. Now, since I do get the Happy Planner size, these are punched already for the Happy Planner. Now, I think if you get other sizes, then you would get like maybe a dashboard set, but this one is gorgeous. This I would definitely use as a cover. It's so pretty. Oh, wow. And if you really wanted to, you could, switch it around like that if you didn't want to look at the beautiful foil. But here's the back, and I like the way they did this because they actually made this the same. So when you flip it, you sort of have like a sunset, and then on this side is like a sunrise. I love that. I love this. This is gorgeous. So gorgeous. I apologize for the glare, by the way. All right, the next thing is 3-piece cardstock dashboard sets, and her dashboards are so nice. And again, she does not disappoint. So nice. The quality, it's got like a nice, it's not super thick, so it doesn't feel like it's going to necessarily like weigh your planner down or create a lot of thickness in your planner, but the quality is really nice. It's not just like a plain cardstock. It does have this really nice sheen to it, and they're double-sided. So this one has this beautiful palm tree. Look at that with the sun coming through. Okay, and this is the same illustration on the other side. Sometimes she changes them up, like they're double-sided, but sometimes the illustrations are different from one to the other. But this is the same. So pretty. Oh, look at this, a carousel. That's pretty. Very pretty. Very like antique looking. Ooh, I love this one. This reminds me of a place that we go to, and it's not a straightaway, it's actually going downstairs, but it just sort of reminds me of that. And look at how pretty that is. Wow. So pretty, so pretty. And then look, if you grab the cover, I love doing this and sharing with you how you can layer her things up because they layer up so nice. So this would layer like that. I don't know if I really like that. Honestly, I don't really know if I like this so much. I probably honestly won't use this one, but it is really cute. But this is so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, I love the way that looks. Now that screams summer. Look at that, really pretty. And then this I love also. This is gorgeous. And that looks just so pretty behind there as well. So lots of really pretty ways that you can layer up her dashboards along and underneath the covers. Sometimes she'll include vellum dashboards, and those you can layer up, so all different kinds of things. All right, the one thing I forgot to share with you is the back side of the box tour card, and that has this pretty journaling card on here that says Summer Unplugged. So cute. I am really happy with everything in this box. I love this cover. It's stunning. The dashboards are beautiful. The inserts are super helpful. I'm really excited to try this layout. I'll see how I like that. And the travel pack, I love that travel pack. It's awesome. So another beautiful box for June from Jane's Agenda. And I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. Please be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know if you are getting her subscription or if you have any questions about it. I do have a discount code down below in the description area of this video and the link to her shop. However, the discount is not going to be applied toward the subscription box itself, but any of her other items. And she has I'm telling you, the covers are stunning. She's got beautiful covers there, and there's all different kinds that you can choose from. There's something similar where it's clear and it's got this beautiful like detailing on it, or there's others that are a little bit more opaque, but lots and lots to choose from. I really feel like that there's something there for everyone. She has an amazing assortment of inserts. So any kind of insert that you might be looking for, yeah, you definitely should go and check out her shop if you have not done so already. Well, thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. Be sure that you are subscribed to my channel here and that you hit that notification bell. Also, just a reminder, I am on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan, and you will see things there you don't always see here on my YouTube. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.